To make this beautiful bracelet with red thread and black beads, you need 2 50 cm cords, 2 meters of cord and 20 black beads. And you need to watch this video carefully, so let's begin. Take 2 50 cm cords or thread 10 beads into them and wound them to a length of 2 meters, and then tie a two-way flat knot on the two main axes. Pay special attention to the procedure in the video. After laying a flat section, start adding beads and pay attention to the technique and thinking when weaving the first and second beads. Because the weaving method of the first and second beads is repeated all the time, after the side reaches the desired length, tie a two-way flat knot at the end, cut off the excess thread after laying. The head burns and the tail crosses at both ends. Take another red rope and tie a two-way flat knot on it. After laying it off, cut off the excess thread and burn the head. Thread a 6 mm bead on the tail and make a tuck behind the bead. Lay it well, cut off the excess thread, and the head is burnt and glued to complete it. Thanks for watching the video. Finally, make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel, HandiCrafts, so that we can bring you more good ideas.